What if I told you you can take any video like this?
Hey guys, I've just pulled up my iPhone to record this short video. I have attached no external microphones, and this is the raw audio that you're listening. You can pick up any audio file that can be as noisy as this, and you can turn it into an absolute masterpiece using just a short trick.
And turn it into this.
Hey guys, I've just pulled up my iPhone to record this short video. I have attached no external microphones, and this is the raw audio that you're listening. You can pick up any audio file that can be as noisy as this, and you can turn it into an absolute masterpiece using just a short trick.
And all of this is completely free, plus you require zero crazy tech skills. All you need is just a browser and obviously internet connection, man.
Ibrar.
Hey guys, it's your boy Queens, and you're watching Ibrar, and I'm back with another video where I'm going to share with you how to achieve professional grade audio, even if you do not have one initially. Right, so if you are someone, a video creator, who creates content, perhaps you use a phone and you do not carry any professional gears like a professional microphone, then you should be definitely struggling with achieving the kind of professional, result that you want. And it's easy nowadays. I'm telling you, it's quite easy nowadays after the arrival of AI, that has made everything so easy for us. Now, let me just share with you, if you want, to create a professional grade video, you want your videos, you want to upscale your videos, then you can have everything so good. You can have a good setup, you can have good scripts, you can have good b-roll shots. But if you have subpar quality of audio, okay, if the audio doesn't sound good, then your overall feel of the video would be gone. Perhaps you'll also be losing on audience attention. If you want to retain your audience, if you want the viewers to keep watching you, you should definitely focus on audio, because audio plays the most important role, to retain the audience. And perhaps in this video, I'll show you how to basically, turn any messy video file where you have all this noisy background in and achieve professional grade audio. Perhaps even the audio that you're listening right now has been modified using AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how do I do this. And in order to show you this, I have to take you to my computer screen. So without further ado, let's just dive into my computer screen.
So right now I'm on my computer screen, and I'm about to show you how do you exactly enhance your audio. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the same audio file, okay, that you have seen in the intro. Okay, the same video will be enhancing the audio. I'll show you exactly how the difference, what kind of difference does it create. So at first, okay, so you gotta come to this website that is called podcast.adobe.com/enhance, right? So you have the link in the description, so you don't have to worry. And next, let me just show you an example of the audio file, right? So here's the audio that we're about to enhance today. Put up my iPhone to record this short video. Right, so you heard it is the same audio that we had. So what we're about to do is we will be using the same audio. Okay, we'll be using the same audio to enhance right today. So here, once you're on this website, so you can basically drag and drop, right? So you don't have to choose. You can basically just pull it here and you can drag and drop. It'll automatically start uploading. So now we gotta give it some time to upload and enhance the speed. So it's not a big file, so it won't take much time, but the enhancement really depends upon the size of the file. So if you have a big file, it will take longer time, and if you have a very small file, then it won't take much longer, right?
A few moments later.
All right, so finally we have the audio enhanced, and now let's just give it a listen. How does it sound like, right? So the short video, I have attached no extra. Wow, that's so amazing, right? So here we have just technically we have improved the audio so much that nobody can say that this was something that I recorded a raw video on my iPhone without attaching any external microphone. It sounds studio like. Okay, I'm really impressed by it. So I'll just hit download here. So here I have the file is downloaded, and this is exactly how you can do the same process. It's a short process that you can do. It hardly takes 30 seconds, okay, just to do the process. Obviously when you take, when you take the files for enhancement, it would take time. The software would be taking its time to upload and enhance, and perhaps that's the only amount of time that you need to invest. But I'm telling you, the results are gonna be
Right, guys, so now you know how to achieve this kind of amazing transformation of your audio without using any software. We didn't use any complex softwares like Adobe Audition, FL Studio, etc. All we did is we just uploaded the file on the internet on a reliable software from Adobe, and it just does the magic for us. How cool is that? How cool is that? Just can you imagine like how much of your efforts have been saved in trying to edit the audio, clean the audio, and do all those adjustments, the EQing, etc. You do not have to do any of this because this audio does it for you. Perhaps it also applies some kind of auto-tune if you just discovered, right? It just makes your the voice pop out more, and this is what you want. This is what you want, perhaps the magic. And if you like this video, then please go ahead and like this video. Do let me know that what you feel about this video in the comment section, and if you have any recommendations, definitely drop them. I'll be very happy to know that what are you willing to watch. And let me tell you, if you're here for the first time, then I upload videos on personal development, financial development, and technical development. So you can expect 3 videos every week on these 3 topics. And if those topics interest you, then please feel free to join my crew by just pressing the subscribe button. And with this, I'll see you in some other video, because I know you have already subscribed by now. Or you didn't? Please do it right now. I know that you've liked the video, you have subscribed the channel, and you're also going to check my channel to check for some other videos. So I'll see you in the other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.